Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. In that video, we are able to open the hood lock for Ford Transit Connect. You know, the Transit Connect, it doesn't have a hood cable from under the dashboard. You have to go and put the key in here, turn it. There's an emblem. You move the emblem and you put the key here, you turn it, the hood will open. This one is messed up. So when you buy one from the dealer, you're gonna buy one new like this, and it comes with everything, the tumblers and all the stuff, the waivers. How you put the waivers, I just put here, the already complete is 6 waivers. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waivers. I put it in, and it's very simple. When you look at it, look here, this side here is empty. This side here, it have a place where waiver can sit. When you hold it, put it this way, facing you. I'm gonna just put one. The first one, and this car have like this hood have like 6 cuts. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first one, which is all the way to the bottom, and this is applied for all ignition switch, and they have numbers on it. Like here, you see, this is number 4. When you take the old one out, try to take the first one, you put it here, the second one here, the third one to the bottom, till the last one here is number 1. So now to put it back, the last one, you're just gonna put it, you're gonna drop it. So how you drop it, it have a track. You see here, if you look at it here, there is like a track. See here, it have a little bit of track. And look here, this have to be on your left hand like this. Okay, when you hold this like this, try to, you see this track here, this big here, have to come here directly like this, and just drop it. And this one, the number have to be from the bottom like this, and the track, the spacer here, they have it, you have to drop it here just like this, facing you. That's it. If you notice here, it's perfect. Now this one is good. What you need to do is to put this plastic here where it is a little bit of, you see this, you're gonna put it here, and then you're gonna put this one, I believe, like this here. Just look at the space, the place that how to go. If you are not sure, you see here, this is big, spacer here is a little bigger than this entrance. So you're gonna see, you see here, small, here is big. So you're gonna put it like this and try to go with it. You see now, it's gone all the way inside, and you have a clip, stay there. Does it gonna go more? I'm not sure, but I believe this is how it's set. Does it gonna go more than that? I will see now. Look at the old one. I have the old one here. You see here? That's the limit. It will not go here. There's a space here, so that's normal. Now what you need to do is still holding this piece here and bring the spring. The spring have to come all over here, and then put this one here, or no, this is the bottom one. Put it this way. The bottom one have to be, and you know, like the bottom one here, and then this one, just push it and pull it all the way to come here. Beautiful. Now what left for you is this. Also, it has a sign. Does it have a way to go in? Yes, I believe so. For me, you see here, I believe this is the way it's supposed to go. Why? Because in this area here, sorry, okay, you see here and this here. So go like this, and this place is gonna stay here in this area. So go slowly. See? Sorry, video is not okay. Now we're good. Let me put the key. See? Beautiful. Now what left? Very simple. I don't know if it's clear or not, but you have this piece here. You're gonna put it here and knock on it a little bit. Not only that, give it more. Yes, and the same pin, you're gonna put it here and here to hit it back. Now I don't have nothing left. See here, put it. Beautiful. Hopefully, if you want to take it out, also the same thing. You're just gonna hit this piece, it come out, the whole cylinder go out, and then you have to put them together. Right now I have the cuts here for shoulder. This is shoulder, 4 1 1, 4 1 1, 2 3 3. That's the cuts. Before one side work, one side doesn't work. Okay, that's how you. Okay, now I have one thing left, this piece here, to hold that one. What you're gonna do, very simple, because this is the tracking, so it's gonna go like this to hold that thing from jumping. Push it in, because this pin here is gonna click here. Go in, that's it. Now you want to open your hood, you go, you turn the emblem of the fourth emblem, you put this one, turn left, turn right, left, right, and you're good to go. It's very simple, very nice. Please subscribe, share, and like. Now just to, when you see this one here, you want to take even the original one. I'm gonna try to see if I can rebuild this one later on. You have this piece here, you're gonna, it's sitting here like this. You're gonna take it, hit, you put this piece here, and you hit here, and you hit here. You're gonna come out a little bit, you put the screwdriver and pull it out. As soon as you pull it out, you hold it with a plier, slowly, hold it this way. It's gonna come, because you don't want those stuff come out of here. I'm gonna clean this piece, and I will try to make it work if it's possible. If it's not, just for information, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, we did this video on how to rekey this one. I have it in one of my videos. Please feel free to check it out, and please, if you like my videos, subscribe, share, and like. And you have any question, please feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and I also thank all the people. Okay, I believe I forget something. Yeah, I forget something here. Yes, I forget something. Now, I'm gonna go back and take it. You know what I forget? I'm gonna go take it back again. You see this piece here? It's sitting in this place here. It's sit here. Please, don't forget those stuff. I made a mistake, yeah, but I don't want you to make that mistake too. Okay. If you can put it, okay. If you don't want to put it also, and then we need to open the hood. But that piece is very important for us. The only thing I don't want it is to hit this piece here and hit it here a couple of times, but you have no other choice. They are there. So I'm gonna hit it, take this one out and put that piece in, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you on another video. As I told you, to take it out from this place here, this one is gonna help. You see here, you're gonna put this here and hit it. You see, it's coming up. Now you can have a screwdriver like this, or something like this, and pull it out. If it doesn't want to come out, you have to do it again to come more down. See here, it's come out almost. Just be sure to look at the space. Where are the pins? Yes, there. You see, it's coming up. After you do all this, you need to be sure anyhow, you have the idea. Yeah, you see now, it's come out. I'm gonna take it out. I will push this one also. Take it out. What else left? This can come out easy, as I told you before, because everything is here. Just take it out. You see, just be careful when you take it out. Have to be up. If not, you're gonna lose the set or your written. You see now how many pieces I lost. Okay, this is number 4, and as I told you, if you want to put it back, if you want to put it back, always spacer, and be sure like this. You see here, I have a small spacer here. See, spacer, and then number 4. Number have to be bottom, and also you see only one side, like this, like bird wing. Now I'm gonna bring the piece that I left it outside is here. You remember I said I forget it? It's here. Put it in. You see? You see this? believe see here, there's a big okay. Maybe I have something wrong here. Yeah, because I see some of them are not there. Let me see something again. Unless if you don't put it good. Okay, I know the numbers. I'm gonna start all over. I have to be sure that they're all sitting good. As I know the first one 332114. This is a 3. Okay, I just realized something. If you're gonna put it, you have to put it this way. You cannot put it this way. Because here is the place where this sit. So always try to get this here. We're gonna continue on it in another video. Please, thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and we're gonna continue fixing this the right way. Thank you.